Need for computer networks. Computer network consists of group, or number of individual of computers and devices which are connected with each other. Thus, when these computers are joined in the network, it helps users to share the resources and communicate with each other. Computer networks can be used for many purposes. Sharing files, folders, data and information. Sharing hardware resources such as a network printer. Sharing software, as many users connected to the network can run the same application program. Computer network allows the user to share data with other users in a network, for example, a company having a number of computers which are connected in a network. Computer network will enable the users to share files and folders and get synchronized with other users. It is possible to add new systems or servers to an existing network easily. Thus the computer network provides scalability. It is also reliable to use a network as it uses redundancy. There are two types of network configuration. Client-server model. Peer-to-peer model. Client-server model. Client/server is a configuration of the computer network that includes a server and one or more clients. The client manages the local resources that are used by the user such as monitor, keyboard, CPU and peripherals. The server is a more powerful system which manages shared resources such as databases, printers, communication links or high-powered processors and handles all the incoming requests for its shared resources. Peer-to-peer model. Peer-to-peer is a communications model in which each party has the same capabilities and either party can initiate a communication session. Peer-to-peer communications is implemented by giving each communication node both server and client capabilities. In recent usage, peer-to-peer has come to describe applications in which users can use the internet to exchange files with each other directly. Types of computer networks. Networks is categorized as per the geographical area to be covered by the network. Computer network includes. Networks is categorized as per the geographical area to be covered by the network. Computer network includes 1. Local area network, LAN.